Let me just give you a flavor of the discussions that took place between the two leaders. The Chancellor, for instance, remarked on the changing world order, the instability that global order is facing, and why in this context it is ever more important for India and Germany to take their relationship to a new level and to do much more, in fact, in his words. And in this context, he laid particular emphasis on Germany's very strong support for the early conclusion of the India-EU FTA. As you are all aware, in another fortnight's time, the EC President and the European Council President both will be visiting New Delhi, where we hope to take these discussions forward towards a favorable conclusion. Chancellor Merz also emphasized repeatedly the strategic approach that Germany was bringing to its relationship with India, that it regarded the relationship with India as an asset in these uncertain times. And in particular, again, there was a considerable amount of discussion on the defense side of the relationship, which is seeing good and very promising progress. One of the things that has been a high point in the relationship in recent years is the people-to-people relationship, the growing Indian expatriate community in Germany, including students. There are today nearly 60,000 students in Germany and nearly 300,000 people of Indian origin in Germany, a number that has grown quite significantly in just the last half a dozen years or so. And it was heartening to hear Chancellor Merz extend a hearty welcome to this expatriate community, to Indian students, to skilled workers from India, given the fact that they complement the needs that German society, German business, and the German economy have at this point in time. And this is now important enough for the German authorities to consider putting dedicated institutional arrangements in place to look at issues related to the community.